Namaste. Hope everybody is well. Today I am going to describe a very important department, that is endocrinology. So, what is endocrinology? Endocrinology is a department which deals with the endocrine glands. So, what is the endocrine glands? These are the glands. There are different glands are there in our body, like pituitary, adrenal, and you can take kidneys also, endocrine gland, thyroid, thymus, pancreas, ovary, testicles, and pineal glands. So why it is important? Because these are the glands which secretes hormones. That hormones are secreted in these glands, and it goes to different parts of the body that do different works. Like your pancreas secretes insulin that controls your sugar, your kidney secretes erythropoietin that important for your blood formation, like your growth hormones, your pineal melatonin, your sex hormones, thyroid hormones. So these are the different type of hormones which are very important for our function of our whole body, and if anything goes wrong, so that causes diseases. So the science of this hormone and this gland is known as endocrinology. So what is endocrinology? So endocrinology is the study of hormones, and hormones are the essential for our everyday survival. They control our temperature, sleep, mood, stress, growth, and many more functions, like your control of sugar and formation of blood. So what is a hormone? So hormone is a chemical, it is a protein that is secreted by different organs. They are produced in one place and they go to other place to functions, like your insulin or thyroid hormone or erythropoietin. So thyroid hormone form in the thyroid gland and goes to all the cells in the body and they work there. The growth hormone form in the pituitary, that goes to the different organs and there growth occurs. So hormones are they essentially they are proteins, and they go to different part of our body, and they perform several functions. So this is a typical picture of a hormone, and without hormone nobody can survive in this world. So who is the endocrinologist? A doctor who specialize in the diagnosis, management of these hormonal disorders and treat them. So they are endocrinologists. So endocrinologist may be a medical endocrinology, who is a medicine doctor. Essentially they treat the patient by investigate what is the problem of hormonal disorder, and they treat by medicine. But also there are surgical endocrinologists who operate all these endocrine glands if necessary. So they are not a surgical endocrinologist. So what are the diseases they treat? So the most common disease they treat is the diabetes. I think diabetes is so common that everybody is acquainted with that. Besides that, they treat thyroid problem, then adrenal gland disorders, and metabolic bone disease like osteoporosis, diseases related to sex hormones, parathyroid diseases. So these are the common diseases they treat, but there are several other diseases also there. But they are very rare, but they are the common diseases which are treated by endocrinologist. So do I need to consult endocrinologist? Yes, many times you have to consult them. If your physician, your doctor think that you are suffering from some type of endocrine disease, then they evaluate you, and if necessary then they will refer to a endocrinologist or further treatment or better treatment. So but when somebody suspect that he may have some endocrine problem, suppose you have unusual fatigue, weakness, excessive thirst or hunger, loss of appetite, and unexplained weight gain or weight loss. So if you are getting fatty, or there is weight loss is there. There may be irritation, irritability, depression, mood changes, frequent urination. If the frequency of your urination is increased, and weight gain in the upper part of the body, not in the lower part, joint and muscle pain, nausea and vomiting, and digestive problems. So if you see all these problems, then first you go to your doctor, your physician or family doctor, consult him. Then if he feels that you need some further investigation by endocrinologist, you have endocrine problem, then he may refer to endocrinologist. Thanks for watching our channel. Please subscribe our channel so that you will not miss any of our medical education video, because this education initiative is by a doctor for the general public, because nowadays lot of unscrupulous people and those are not have any medical degree, they are propagating falsehood in the internet in the name of medical education. Please subscribe and get proper and your information about medical conditions. Thank you.